Hey everyone, say hi Zumba. Well, before we get started, we actually have day two. Say two. Day two of our Jollier January draw, and the names that we have for today are Therese Bowling, Julie Herman, Connie Rossi, Mary Burney, Kaylee Grawl, Geraldine Walker, Becky Gilreath, Albane Elnhas, Melody Go, and Alice Chen. We have 3 prizes today. This and this. Show everyone the prizes that they're gonna win. Special treatment beads, a special treatment coupon for your painting, and a coin purse. So, are we ready to do the draw? We just did the prizes, show the prizes. Now, let's do the draw, alright? Alright, we got our jar. I got my winter wolf outfit, because it's a Jollier January.
And we're all wearing white.
Yeah, I got my 2 Olaf snow kids. Here, you roll this up. We're gonna roll it. Okay. And put it in the raffle box. Oh, we gotta empty this. We emptied it for the new names. Roll it up. Roll it up. Roll. Here's another name. Did you roll yours?
Yeah.
All right. Here's another name. Roll it up.
Another roller?
Another roll.
Yeah.
Oh, let's do this. Inside. Okay. Thank you, Susie. Here's another one. So you roll. Jump in.
Another roll.
There you go. All right. One more each.
Oh yeah.
Oh, these are okay. There you go. All right. Last one.
And it's another roll.
All right. What are we gonna win first? Choose which one. Coin first? The special treatment for one of their paintings, or special treatment bead? Which one? This one? Okay. Alright. This is for it's actually bigger than a coin purse. It's like a wallet. So I was wrong first time. So this is a wallet. Here. Since Zuli chose this one, Rocket will take the roll. And the winner for the wallet is
Unroll it.
Connie Rossi.
Yeah.
Congratulations!
Yay.
You won the wallet. Now, wait, not yet. Okay, Rocket, choose which one.
I know. That's a treatment.
The special treatment coupon. All right. Now, yeah.
Let's shake it together. Julie and me shake it.
Who's gonna win the special treatment coupon? Alright, thank you, Julie. Rolled up, and now we're gonna unroll it. Down. We got Julie Herman! Yay! Congratulations, you got the special treatment coupon. Not the beads. Now this one. Well, they're beads technically, but it's more of a set of beads, not just one kind. And now we got this last special treatment tube, a big tube, a large tube of special treatment beads. So you picked one winner, you picked one winner, now I get to pick one winner.
Let's shake it. And we start to shake it. Can I shake it?
Shake. Okay, both of you guys. You shake once. Okay, now it's Kuya's turn. Kuya rocket. Don't make it all fall. Alright. Thank you. Daddy's turn to pick the winner. Oh my gosh, my arm! Say the magic word so I can bring it out. Don't drag, you need to say the magic word.
Please.
Okay, please take it out. Alright, good.
Yay! What?
And the winner is
For the special treatment beads.
Albin Elnahas. Congratulations! You want special treatment? Beads, a large tube of it. Woo!
Yeah.
That's day 2. We got another day for special treatment. For the draw, Jollier January draw. Are you excited?
Yeah.
Awesome, I'm excited. And let's dance!
Of the raffle. Tomorrow it's gonna be day 3 of the raffle. Day 3 of the raffle. Watching, please like, comment, and push that red subscribe button. And don't forget to ring the bell so you won't miss a